How to enable camera flash notification on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. So if you want to blink your flashlight while you get any notification on your Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's how you can do the settings. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to enable camera flash notification, you just need to go and open up the settings tab from a Samsung Galaxy phone and then scroll down to the very bottom and you'll get to see the accessibility. Go ahead and tap on accessibility here, and inside the accessibility, you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on advanced settings. And inside the advanced settings, you'll get to see the notification option, and under this, you'll get to see the flash notification. Go ahead and tap on these, and inside this one, you'll get to see two different options: camera flash notification and screen flash notification. You can enable one of this. So let's say I'm going to enable the camera flash notification, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. From now, whenever you get any notification, your flashlight will blink in the back. And this is how you can enable camera flash notification on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.